Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngakuphuthele izindaba ongawenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba akulethe lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke sekukhona-ke ilunga-ke selishiyile-ke laphana-ke kwi-M_K party-ke laphana-ke, kodwa-ke mina-ke angifuni ukuthi ezwa ngami kuphela into nje udlala-ke ividiyo yakhe-ke yomlisa-ke laphana-ke echaza ukuthi-ke indaba-ke leli lunga leli-ke lishiye-ke laphana-ke kwi-M_K party-ke laphana-ke kuvela-ke nokunye-ke laphana-ke. Into yokuthi nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke ecela phansi usizwile-ke le vidiyo leyo, ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi na ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke usicinize nebhathini nje subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nawe-ke le vidiyo-ke awuyithokozele.
MK Moria Nosi Morai has resigned from MK, citing personal reasons and political organizations reasons in her resignation. This happened on the 8th of September. Somebody said MK is crumbling. As much as MK will announce all those who will be joining MK, it is lacking in announcing all those who are leaving MK. Unlike EFF, where the deputy president had a lovely send-off, it had a lovely send-off of its deputy president when he resigned. This then raises eyebrows as it in fact forces anyone to ask if the resignation of Floyd Chibambu is indeed genuine, or it is just a political game where MK will find itself floating on the shores. How will that happen? Politics will keep unfolding as we are witnessing such. And I am worried. Malema once said there are no enemies forever in politics. I don't know what he meant, but I know lightly he meant that if you need to win something, you tend to go to your worst enemy to get it. You then cannot say, because I need this thing and I know the enemy has it, I can't go to. That's what Malema meant. Very soon we will hear of a big resignation in the MK. Let me hold my horses, because someone will say my horses are running too fast. I'm going to hold my horses for now. But very soon there is a big resignation coming. And this resignation, when it happens, two things that are going to happen. There will be a delay out of the pitch, or there will be an instant joining of the opponent. But wait and see. Please be patient. Something is being cooked. Where is this going to be coming? It will be coming from MK. It will be coming from MK. Don't say you are lying. Just wait. Wait and see. Fade my picture, fade. Fade my picture, fade.